Brought to you by GTA, your island, your network.
In the wake of a damning federal report on GMH, confidence in the island's only public hospital could be hitting an all-time low. You've all heard the jokes over the years. GMH stands for Get Me to Hawaii. Those jokes made decades ago, and here in 2018, it's still the same old story with the Guam Memorial Hospital. The federal report stating GMH has failed to create accountability for medical errors to protect patient care, while a parade of doctors coming out of the woodwork to make allegations of mismanagement and corruption at GMH. The federal report says not a single adverse patient report has been filed in over a year. This man sharing a sentiment some people have, not just about the quality of care at GMH, but the quality of doctors at the Tamuning Hospital.
They're rejects. The doctors here in Guam are rejects from the States, because if they're very good doctors, they'll be making more money on their own land.
At risk if GMH doesn't satisfy the feds on correcting 80 pages of deficiencies in the report, up to $15 million in Medicare matching funds. That would leave Manumco without insurance out in the cold.
That's going to be hard on those who are like me, who rely so much on Medicare.
Linda Perez, a respiratory therapist at GMH, said the hospital and Gov Guam need to get focused and tackle the Medicare violations cited in the Center for Medicare report.
We need to do whatever it takes to meet the requirements of CMS, because patients deserve it.
We asked Perez if there was any truth to allegations made by doctors about GMH's lack of leadership.
If you lead by example by showing that you do care, that you are in support of the team, that you will do anything and everything to help the team, that's leadership.
So do you think GMH leadership is doing those things right now?
There are areas that are very obvious that needs help, areas that leadership needs to not just look at what's good for them, but what's good for the hospital as a whole.
While Perez and other GMH employees may feel like they're being thrown under the bus by GMH leadership and the federal report, this man told KUAM News perception is reality.
There's no improvements. As a matter of fact, the services are going down.
For Guam's News Network, Chris Barnett reports.
Brought to you by GTA, your island, your network.